Let's talk about getting started with affiliate marketing as a side hustle, and let's talk about doing it for free. Now, it's no secret that I think affiliate marketing is the best side hustle that you can start right now and do it online. I'll put a card up here in the right-hand corner. You can click on that and you can watch the video where I talk about affiliate marketing being the best side hustle. Take a look at that after you finish this video, because right now we're going to jump into how affiliate marketing actually works. And affiliate marketing works like this. You are an affiliate. You sign up for an affiliate program, you create affiliate links, you create content in the form of blog posts, Facebook posts, and a Facebook group as a good example. You create a YouTube channel. People find your content, and those visitors that found your content click on your link, and you make money as an affiliate after they click on that link and purchase the product that you recommend. And it's actually super simple to get started. I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner. You can click on that and watch a video where I talk about exactly why and how it's so simple. So make sure you watch that video. But the point here is all you need to do is recommend products that you use, products that you trust, products that you like, products that you know that work. You can make those recommendations simply in the form of writing a blog post and posting it online for people to find. Now, where do you post that blog post? You can pay for hosting and create your own website, but you can also post it for free, and I'm going to cover a few of those things. But first, I want to cover the fact of where do you find affiliate offers, or where do you simply find products that you can sell and actually earn an affiliate commission. The simplest, quickest, and easiest place is Amazon, and everyone knows. You simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and you see Make Money with Us. You click on Become an Affiliate, and then you simply recommend products, earn commissions by following their 3-step formula as an Amazon associate: sign up, recommend, and earn. And use an affiliate. That is your first step here to sign up for an affiliate program. Of course, I'm using Amazon as the simplest and the most well-known example, but there are others. To create your affiliate links inside of their affiliate programs, create a blog post, get visitors to click, and then make money. Of course, to create a blog post, you can use the free blogging platforms that you see here. Wix, Weebly, Substack are some great examples. You could also use a platform like Groove over at groove.cm. And you can see here, you can get everything you need to manage your business free for life. And that includes a blogging platform, as well as a bunch of other tools that you can use as your business, which is what the end goal here of the side hustle is: to grow a real online business and to use all the tools that you see here, to include the platform that comes free with Groove, which is Groove Blog, where you can create this content that is recommending products that people are going to find your recommendation. They're going to read your recommendation. And then based upon your recommendation, the simple thing is they're just going to click on that link. You're going to earn a commission when they click on that link, pop over to the site, buy the product based upon your recommendation. And as is a simple base of what affiliate marketing is and how it's so simple and gives you the ability to start a side hustle to earn some extra money. And you can actually do this for free. Another free place to post content is medium.com. You simply come to Medium, sign up for an account. As you can see here, once you do, you can start writing a story, and you simply write your story here. As you can see here, you could just simply write your product recommendations, recommend your products, tell your story, tell why you recommend the product, and you can start that for free, and people can find that on medium.com. Quora is another great example. This is where people go to find answers, and you can simply answer people's questions. For example, if I start typing a question here, what is the best blogging platform for startups? You can see here that people ask questions and people answer their questions. And here you can add your affiliate links as well. And again, it goes back to this idea, this simple process, step by step, signing up for an affiliate program, creating your affiliate links, creating blog posts, or posting on Medium, answering questions on Quora. Or you could create a Facebook group or start a YouTube channel. Simply get visitors to click on your links and you make money. Creating a YouTube channel is very simple. There's a simple step-by-step post over at YouTube Help on how to create a YouTube channel. And once you do that, you do exactly just like I'm doing here. You create helpful, useful content that solves people's problems, helps them find the answers to the things that they have problems, they're looking for a solution, and you just make content and then you reference that content. Just like here, if you want to learn exactly how to start affiliate marketing and how to build a real online business and turn that side hustle that you're going to start today into actual money, go ahead, click the link in the description. You can pop over and there's a free step-by-step course that walks you exactly how to do this. And it's just that simple, and you can do the exact same thing. If you're not comfortable with video and you don't want to use YouTube, you can always utilize Facebook. Here's a perfect example how you can harness the power of groups to build a community using Facebook groups. And just like it says here, you may already be active in many groups on Facebook. In fact, one way many people first build up a fan base is by participating in well-established groups, connecting with like-minded people, and sharing their best content. And then you can actually create your own group. And inside of that group, you can share your content with the people that come to your group. Again, recommending products that you use, that you like, that you know, that you trust. And simply doing that in a Facebook group where you just talk about all the things around that product. And then as you talk about that product, people will be interested in what you have to say because you will be trusted as the authority and the expert in that group because it's your group. And then people will simply take your recommendations. And you go back to that simple process of signing up for an affiliate program for those products, creating your affiliate links, here posting in that Facebook group, adding a blog, creating a YouTube channel, getting visitors to click on that link, and then you make money. And it's just that simple to create a money-making side hustle by doing affiliate marketing. And like I said, if you want to learn exactly how to do this step by step, click the link in the description. It'll take you over to a free action plan that'll take you step by step to creating an affiliate marketing business and turning this side hustle into a business that makes real money for the long term. And it's something that you can do online to make money starting today. Again, link in the description. Click that link, pop over, start this online training, kick off this side hustle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.